Now, let me show you how you can make the Apple Pencil discoverable. Right? So the way that it works is that the Apple Pencil doesn't have like a button on it or any way to enable the Bluetooth or anything like that. So it kind of depends on the model of your Apple Pencil, but usually the newer models need to simply be connected magnetically to the side of the iPad, right? As you can see, this Apple Pencil is the 2nd gen, and it is rounded, but there is this flat area on one side of the Apple Pencil, and this is the area which I need to connect to the side of the iPad. You can see that in here on the top of my device I have this little place like a holder for it, and this is where we need to connect it with this flat side. It's gonna be connected and snapped on magnetically, and as you can see, it's now connected. You know that it is connected because you're gonna get the pop-up at the top like this, indicating that the connection is there, and that's like the only way to make the iPad discover the Apple Pencil. Of course, then if you have battery widgets, you can track the battery situation and so on. There is one very important thing which you should know about it, and that is that the different iPads may not work with different Apple Pencils. For example, I have in here the iPad mini, right, which is the iPad mini 7th generation actually, but this one does not work with this Apple Pencil. I can try to connect it as much as I want, but it simply does not pair. And the reason for it is simply because the Apple Pencil is not supported. You can go to Apple's support page and check out the Apple Pencil compatibility, and as you can see, there are different models like the Apple Pencil Pro, the USB-C, 2nd gen, 1st gen, and every Apple Pencil has the different iPad models listed below with which it's gonna work, right? So as you can see, the iPad mini, right, would work with the Apple Pencil USB-C as well as the Apple Pencil Pro, but it wouldn't work with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, which is this one, right? So that's why I could not connect it to the iPad mini, because it was iPad mini 7th generation and this only works with the 6th, right? So that's the thing which you need to know. Let me know if it helped you out. Subscribe and I'll see you later.